Welcome to NutraHeal. Here, we share simple, healthy recipes and tips to help you feel your best every day. Join us to learn how good food can boost your health. Healthy morning smoothie recipes for energy and immunity. Kickstart your day with these 3 healthy smoothie recipes. They're quick, easy, and packed with ingredients to boost energy and immunity. Smoothie 1, Berry Boost Smoothie. First up, we have the Berry Boost Smoothie. Berries are loaded with antioxidants to support immunity, and Greek yogurt provides protein to keep you energized. Add 1 cup of mixed berries, strawberries and blueberries, a half cup of Greek yogurt for protein. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for fiber. Add half cup of almond milk. Blend until smooth and pour into a glass. This smoothie is creamy, delicious, and full of nutrients to keep you going all morning. Smoothie 2, Green Power Smoothie. Spinach, banana, green apple, ginger, and coconut water. Next is the Green Power Smoothie, perfect for a natural energy boost. Spinach is rich in iron, and ginger adds an immune boost with a bit of zing. Steps: add a handful of spinach for iron and vitamins. Add 1 banana for natural sweetness and energy. Add half green apple for fiber and freshness. Add a small piece of ginger for immunity. Add half cup of coconut water for hydration. Blend until smooth and pour. Refreshing and packed with greens, this smoothie will keep you energized and refreshed. Smoothie 3, Citrus Sunrise Smoothie. Orange, carrot, mango, and turmeric powder. Our last recipe is the Citrus Sunrise Smoothie. This one's full of vitamin C from oranges and carrots to help support immunity and give you a morning energy boost. Steps: add 1 orange, peeled and segmented for vitamin C. Add half a cup of chopped carrot for extra nutrients. Add half cup of mango for a tropical touch. Add a pinch of turmeric for anti-inflammatory benefits. Blend until smooth and pour. Bright and refreshing, the Citrus Sunrise Smoothie is a delicious way to start your day strong. These smoothies are perfect for a quick, nutritious start to your day. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more healthy recipes.